Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about one of the very interesting subject in astrology, that is a future plan. A lot of spouse they are suffering from the childbirth because sometimes our fifth house is damaged or fifth house lord is debilitated sign or fifth house received aspect from any natural malefic like Rahu Ketu or Saturn. So, in that case, if you have a delay in pregnancy or you have a delay in future planning, like you are married from last 10 years, 8 years, 7 years, 5 years, and you don't have any kid. So, the reason behind it, because your fifth house is damaged. If your fifth house is damaged, then you will definitely get baby after a few years of marriage, like delay after 7 years, after 10 years of marriage. But it doesn't mean if your fifth house is damaged, you don't have kid in your life. It doesn't mean. Today I'm going to explain you some planetary position. If you have that type of planets in your birth chart, then which type of effects you received from your future planning, which type of fortune you will receive about your future planning. So first of all, I'm going to talk about fifth house, which is a house of future planning. So you need to know which type of planetary placement of your birth chart about future planning. So there's a lot of confusion. A lot of people they don't know about the which house we consider as a future planning and which planet is linked with your fifth house or which planet is a main karmic karka planet of the fifth house. So if we have a planet if we have that planet Mahadasha in our birth chart and we are easily blessed with the baby after our marriage. So guys, today I'm going to explain you something related to your future planning. So first of all, you need to check your fifth house. Which planet placed in your fifth house? Which planet placement is in your fifth house? And where is fifth house Lord placed? Do you have Jupiter in fifth house? Do you have Sun is in fifth house? Do you have Moon, Mercury, Venus? Which planet is in your fifth house? Or do you have Rahu, Ketu, or Saturn in fifth house? Or do you have any planet in 11th house which is 7th aspecting, 100% aspecting is on your fifth house? Like if Saturn aspect is on your fifth house, if Rahu or Ketu aspecting your fifth house, you will definitely get baby, but after few years of your marriage. And if these yog, like because baby planning, it's depend of the both horoscope. It is not depend of the one horoscope. If male have these type of planetary position like Rahu Ketu, Rahu plays in fifth house, Ketu aspecting, and Saturn is also 11th house and aspecting on fifth house. No, we need to check the both birth chart. We need to check both birth chart of spouse. A male birth chart position like this, malefic planet, fifth house and 11th house hemmed between malefic planets, and ninth house also aspecting from the malefic planets, because ninth house is your linked with your bhagya growth, and if female horoscope, the planetary like fifth house lord is in 8th house, fifth house lord is in 12th house with Rahu Ketu. Like for example, if you have a Aries ascendants, your fifth lord is Sun, and Sun plays in your 8th house with Rahu or Ketu, then you will definitely problem in pregnancy. You will definitely may plan for IVF, or you are trying for IVF and that they are getting failed first time, and then you again plan second time. But I would suggest you, whatever you plan about your future like IVF or any other medical help, but you must consult with any astrologer before plan everything, because he will guide you. Astrology, your birth chart is the root of your life. He will guide you which type of planet you have. Do you need IVF or not, or you have to wait next 1 year or 2 years and you have start any Mahadasha or Antardasha. Maybe your sub period will change in your birth chart in both horoscopes, and you will get baby automatically, no need to do any IVF or no need to do any treatment. And if Saturn aspecting is on your fifth house, or Rahu aspecting is on your fifth house, like Rahu plays in first house, fifth house, or ninth house, and if Rahu plays in first house, aspecting fifth is in your fifth house, Saturn plays in 11th house, aspecting seventh is in your fifth house, Rahu plays in your ninth house, aspecting ninth is in your fifth house, then you will definitely get baby, but after great delay, like after 10 years of your marriage, after 11 years of your marriage, but you will get baby. And Saturn is a planet which show a delay in our aspect. Like if you have a 11th house Saturn and Saturn aspecting is on your 5th house, in any sign, in any planet placed in your 5th house, and that planet receive aspect from the Saturn from 11th house, it means you will get baby through IVF. There's no doubt. But you need to check both horoscope. Baby planning, future planning is not depend on one horoscope, it is planning of both horoscope. So I would suggest to every of my viewers, you must consult before plan your future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.